Hi, welcome to the second section of the intermediate chord section. Here you will learn the seventh chords. What is the seventh chord? Well, seventh chord is the seventh note of the key. If you understand, we'll show you. So let's go. Hi, so we're going to learn major, minor, and dominant sevens. But first we're going to learn the major. I'm going to relate everything to the low E string on the 5th fret, which is the A note. Here. So, the A major 7. Place your first finger on the low E string 5th fret, and then get your second finger on the B string 5th fret, and then place your third finger on the D string 6th fret, like this, and then place your fourth finger on the G string 6th fret. So, this is an A major 7, and it should sound like this. We'll pluck the notes together like this, and that's what it should sound like. Now I'm gonna show you the minor 7. It's easy, it's just barring a whole fret. So if you want an A minor 7, bar the 5th fret like this, and then play this note, the low E string, D, G, and B. If you're plucking, so like this. That's an A minor 7. So what we've learned so far is an A major 7, an A minor 7. So now we're going to learn a dominant 7. So it's really similar to the minor 7, but placing one finger. So put up the A minor 7 like this, and then place your second finger on the G string on the 6th fret. So this is dominant 7 here. So what we've learned here is the A major 7, A minor 7, and A dominant 7. These shapes here can relate to any fret. So if I want a B major 7, you can go to the 7th fret and place the major 7 chord up relating to the low E string, and here, that's a B major 7. Another example, if you want a G major 7, go to the 3rd fret, place your shape up, and then that's the G major 7. Or if you want a G minor 7, just bar it like this, play the same strings as you played it as the A major 7 and B major 7, and that is a G minor 7. And if you want to put a dominant, just place your second finger on the G string, 4th fret, and that's a G dominant 7. So here we've learnt the major 7, minor 7, dominant 7 relating to the low E string. Hi, so now we're going to learn the major 7, minor 7, and dominant 7 relating to the A note. So which is this one here. I'm going to be using the C, which is on the 3rd fret. So, major 7. First, bar the 3rd fret on it like this, and then place your 3rd finger on the D string 5th fret. Place your second finger on the G string's 4th fret. Place your 4th finger on the B string 5th fret. And here is the C major 7. And it sounds like that. Remember not to play the low E string, like here, as it's meant to be muted. So mute it with the tip of your finger here. So here's the C major 7. And now for the C minor 7. You just lift up your 4th finger, then place your second finger down one to the B string 4th fret, and that's the C minor 7, like that. You might realize that it looks like the C minor 7, just a normal minor 7, C minor, but it has, with the finger lifted off, it will make it a 7th. So like that. So what we've learnt so far is the C major 7 and C minor 7. And now, with the dominant 7, if we get the C major 7 back up, like this, all you have to do is remove your second finger, which is this one here, and here is the C dominant 7. And that's a C dominant 7, C minor 7, and C major 7. And so, these shapes relate to everything on the neck. So if you want a D major 7, just go to the 5th fret on the A string, and that's the D major 7. And if you want a dominant, just lift up the finger, the second finger, and that's a dominant. Or if you want a minor, put your second finger on the B string, and like that. So, here's a major 7, minor 7, and dominant 7. You might realize that the low E string, the shape on the low E string and the A string are the same. So for example, if we go to the A on the low E string, A major 7 here. And so A major 7, and if we go to down here to open strings, so place your first finger on the G string, 1st fret, and then put your second finger on the D string, 2nd fret, and your third finger on the B string, the 2nd fret. That's the major 7. And if you go back to the low E string, they sound the same. And that's in all cases. So remember, keep practicing your major 7s, minor 7s, and dominant 7s, as you'll learn faster.